Hi everybody. So I have the hungers and I'm going to make me some lunch with leftovers. So I have a little bit of stuffing. I have 2 chicken legs. I made some chicken broth. And what I'm going to do is kind of like the old diner meals. Do you remember when you could get, I think they still have them in some places, where it'd be toast with meat and gravy. Hold on, hubby's home. So yeah, this is gonna be like the diner style plate, only I'm not gonna have toast. I'm gonna put it over that stuffing. So I'm gonna put my stuffing on a plate and pop it in the toaster oven to warm up. And then I'm going to take the meat off of one of the chicken legs, and the other chicken leg I will save for lunch tomorrow and use it in a nice bowl of ramen. It's getting cold here, guys. Like during the day it's kind of nice, still chilly to me, but at night, ooper. So I'm going to add some butter. And this is just a real fast lunch. So while that's getting melty, take the meat off of one of my legs. Just pulling it off. Hubby went and got my prescription and some more eggs for the homemade dog food. I don't know if any of you heard me talk about my mini schnauzer, but he was not doing well at all. I thought for sure we were going to lose him. And there's no medicine or anything for kidney disease, just diet. And then he had the pancreatitis as well. The pancreatitis is gone. His numbers are normal on one kidney, and the other one was, they were off the charts, and they're on the charts now. And you can't cure it, but he's hopping down the halls and stuff now. It's just crazy. I have a picture of him on Halloween, and he didn't look good at all, and on his doggy bed. And now he's back. He's the most resilient animal I've ever had. So here's our butter. We're going to add an equal amount of flour. Probably add a little too much flour. Then I'm going to add the chicken broth and splatter it everywhere, of course, because I just love cleaning. I live to clean, don't you all? Stir that up until you get your roux mixed in there. Whisk it up. Bring it to a boil so it can thicken. Smidge of pepper. And I'll taste it for salt. I don't know if this broth needs salt. And we're just going to bring it up to a bubble. I'm going to add my chicken so it can get hot. Got my stuffing heating up in the toaster oven. Put my flour and stuff away, throw that away, put this in the dishwasher. Put my chicken leg away for lunch tomorrow. And this really stretches your food. You're not wasting anything. And this is nice comfort food. I have my home canned cranberry sauce. So I'll put a spoonful of that on the side. Wipe my mess up that I made with that broth. And see, it's already thick. I'm going to add a splash of milk. And you can make this with your powdered milk. As you saw, I used my bouillon to make a broth. Let's see how this tastes. Tastes good, does not need salt. Pepper added a nice flavor. Chicken's already hot and breaking apart. Some cranberry sauce. Have my stuffing. Add my meat and gravy. Bowl is hot. If you've not gotten a toaster oven, I tell you what, I use that thing more than I thought I would. Do you hear that? I just don't understand cars doing that. Dollop of cranberry sauce. And there you go. We have lunch. So use it, don't lose it. If you have any questions, post them down below. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.